Isupk.
Hey, no, go ahead. Since you had a question, you had a question?
You know that, right?
Yeah.
From the black man came all mankind. From you came all mankind. From the black man. And then when we blacks do get ahead ourselves, we always go marry a white man or a white woman. I won't marry a black man if I get hold of anything. Now, Grandma, I'm telling the truth, ain't she? She's telling the truth. But I'm finna go catch my old self in these farms. I'm 80 years old. I'm going to here. But I just want to tell all you, I love you. And from you, black man, came all mankind. They came from you. They know. The white man, blue man, whatever, you know, he know who you is.
Damn right, sis. Hey, get that sister a hand, man. You understand? What she was saying was true. All right? What she's saying is true. And guess what? What's going to establish us again is us loving each other and us choosing our own over the rest of these other nations.
That's right.
All right?
Like Jesus said.
You understand? And now I'm going to say this right here, right?
I talk to them.
That even God is a black man. God is black.
Right.
Jesus is black.
That's right.
Moses is black.
That's right.
What you're going to find out is all the prophets in the Bible, they are actually black.
That's right.
You understand? And I can prove that better than I could just say that. We got the Bible, we got the scriptures right here to prove so.
Right.
All right? I'm going to show y'all the description of the Most High. The Most High God. Give me the book of Daniel chapter 7 and verse 9. We're going to go into the Bible and let the Bible speak for itself.
That's right.
You understand? If you ever wanted to know the answers, all you got to do is get in that Bible and start educating yourself, man, and then come to the priests and prophets of God, man. You understand? Come to the priests. Come to the ISUPK under command of General Yohana so we can get the brainwashing off of you. So we can give you the truth that you desperately need, black man, black woman. You understand? That's what you need right now. Give me the book of Daniel, chapter 7 and verse 9. Read.
Daniel, chapter 7, verse 9. I behold, till the thorns were cast down.
This was Daniel having a vision, right? He seen all the kingdoms crumbling down, man. Just like what you're about to see and realize right now. Russia is about to crumble down. America is about to crumble down. China is about to crumble down. All of these countries is about to go to war, man. You understand? And the prophet Daniel had these visions, and he's seeing these things. Read.
Were cast down, and the Ancient of Days did sit.
And the who?
The Ancient of Days did sit.
The Ancient of Days is the Most High God.
That's right.
The Most High power. You understand? In the Christian church, they said that he was just a spirit. But the scripture said what?
The Ancient of Days did sit.
The scriptures say that the Most High was sitting.
Right.
He said that he did sit. Meaning the Ancient of Days, the Most High God was sitting down. He wasn't a spirit like how they teach in the Christian church. Read.
Whose garment was white as snow.
And he also had a physical garment on. The Most High God, He got a physical garment on, and he's sitting on the throne, man. You understand? That right there comes from the Bible. All the Christian philosophies that we learned about was absolutely wrong when they said that God was a spirit. When they tell you that he was sitting on the throne and he had a garment. Read.
And the hair of his head.
The hair of his head, read.
Like the pure wool.
Like the what?
Like pure wool.
Like the pure wool, man. So the Most High God, the Most High power, has a woolly afro, man. You understand? The Most High God is black. And that's what you're reading right here in the Bible, man.
Let nobody tell you cry. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it works out.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, sold packs, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good ship. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain. Something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord?